Module 2. Section 3. Part 7. Python OS Library. The OS module in Python provides functions for interacting with the operating system. OS comes under Python's standard utility modules. This module provides a portable way of using operating system dependent functionality. Let's get started. Please note, the examples given in the tutorial does not cover all the functions but a few important ones. For better understanding and usage examples, I would recommend you visit the official documentation. Start by importing the OS library. The first function that we are going to learn is getCwd. It is used to get the location of present working directory. The method stat performs a stat system call on the given path. We perform a stat call on Python file. Now, we learn about system module. This is an important module. It is used to perform shell commands. The command should display the contents of home directory. The chmod function is used to change the file permissions. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will create a test file in my present working directory. Please do not worry if you are unaware of what 755 means. It will be covered in the later module of the tutorial. GetUID function returns the information of current user ID. GetGID function returns the information of current group ID to which the logged in user belongs. GetLogin function returns the display name of the logged in user. ListDir function returns a list that shows the files and folders present in the directory specified in the path. Let's test the code. Output 1 prints the result of present working directory. Output 2 shows the status of file Python. Output 3 displays the result of function call for system module. Output 4 changes the file permissions of file test. Output 5 displays the UID. As I am working as root user. For root user the UID is equal to 0. Output 6 displays the GID. For root user the GID is equal to 0. Output 7 displays the name of the user which is root. Output 8 displays the list of directories in home directory.